I'm working on putting the fries in the bag. I put the fries in the bag before. A lot of y'all probably ate the fries in the bag. I'm not making another server. Do you guys want sub-only mode? Thank you for the sub, appreciate it. Welcome to the Supreme Novine universe. A new perk of being a subscriber is that you'll be able to get access to video bloopers. Let's be honest, most of them are karaoke bloopers. I just posted my first karaoke blooper for a subscriber only. No!